I'm trying to make a posh Halloween party dress with a gorgeous, look how lovely that is. It's a really gorgeous brocade fabric, but I've only got 1 metre of it. It's quite wide, it's like 140 wide, I think, but I've still only got 1 metre of it. So I'm trying to come up with an idea of how I can make this Halloween dress with this fabric. So the style of dress that I'm making is based on that perfect party dress that I keep going on about, that I need to do the tutorial for, which on one of the bodices, the band bodice, it's kind of like this, where it kind of goes straight across, and then you do whatever you want with the bottom half, which is basically a great big enormous rectangle. So I've got enough for the top part here, and it has kind of darts there. I've just about got enough for the ties, because I think I'm going to do them as sort of ties up there. I've got enough for doing this skirted bit here at the front, and I think I'm going to do it with a box pleat at the front and then gathers on each side where the darts are on the bodice. I've even just about got enough to do lined big patch pockets as well. I don't know if you can see that, but I haven't got enough for the back. So, as in so, S-O, I have got this blue-black taffeta skirt, which is quite lucky, because I was thinking of just doing those kind of random gathers, like getting loads of strips of taffeta and do like a gathered bit and then a plain bit and then like a gathered bit. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, it looks like this. So, what do you think, even though I'm probably going to do it, what do you think, because it's a perfect colour, what do you think if I do the back in that? But do you want to have a look? If I try and mock it up here on the table, and I genuinely am interested in what you think. These would be the patch pockets, but because I didn't have much fabric, I think I'm going to have to just be relaxed about pattern matching. So I'm planning upon having a box pleat in that front section, so that will be sort of flat, and then just gathers here, which will be in line with darts that happen up there, and then I think quite wide ties that will tie at the top. Can you see that? But then I've got a question about the back. Actually, whilst we're on the front, I also want to ask you about this. I don't know, I don't feel so bad about it now I'm seeing it all mocked up, but all the skulls, it was feeling a bit corny to me. I don't know. Anyway, I was wondering if I should put in sections of, so if I cut the fabric into say 4 strips and inserted some frills that would be made of the similar fabric to the back, the skirt that I'm using on the back, and then I could put a bit of the frill up there as well. Yeah, I don't know, I'm thinking about it still. I don't know. Or maybe they'd be better off going around the pocket, the frills. Yeah, maybe they would be. Oh yeah. Oh, I think they might be nice around the pocket. Anyway, so that would be the front, which hopefully you can see. And the back, I'll show you that. But maybe I'll show you halfway around so you can see how this fabric goes with the fabric that I'm using for the back. Okay, so this is me trying to show you, ish, how it would go together with the front, which obviously it's a completely different fabric, so it doesn't go together, but it does tie in because of the blue black. And yeah, so the bit that I am struggling with, so I'm definitely going to go for it. I'm going to have this taffeta gathered stuff at the back, the tiers, but the bit that I'm unsure about, so let's say that this is the front, right, and I'm trying to show you the side front. That's the pocket, yeah? So we've got all of this going on. These ties will be faced in a similar fabric to that. So we'll have that, so that will be like a nod to the back. For the back, do you think that the back bodice, okay, this upper bit here, the back bodice, should be in this fabric, because I had enough to cut it out, look. So I've got the back section. So should the back bodice be in the skull fabric and this contrast skirty stuff just be in the skirt part at the back? Or should the back bodice be made of the same fabric as the skirty fabric, and then, let's use this, and then the ties be black? I'm not sure. So I'm interested in hearing what you say. Where's my bodice bit gone? So I'll just show you the front again, because I'm inclined to do this. I think I'm feeling like I prefer the look of that. I'm just going to go and have a look and see if I can actually see. So I'd also like to say that with me having just that 1 metre of fabric, if I do manage to make this dress and make it look good, and I think I can make it look good, do you know what? The only bit of fabric that is left from that 1 metre of fabric is this. So thank you so much for watching. I hope it wasn't too boring. And I genuinely would like to know what you think about that combination. And if I upload this quickly enough, do you want me to show you how I made it? I am going to do tutorials on the perfect party dress. Gosh, it'll be summer soon, it'll be the perfect summer dress. And yeah, do you want to see this one? Thank you so much for watching. See you again very soon. Bye.